motorized brush bar digs up ground-in dirt. A cleaner head automatically adjusts. Dyson Kinetic Tips capture microscopic dust. An extendable wand and hose reach into awkward places with flexible cleaning across all floors. Goodbye, whirlwind.
I think for a lot of us, if I had that voice waking me up from Dyson every day that's like, don't you want to clean your home? I'd do it. I mean, it's so soft and so soothing, but like, get it done because you can. And I mean, this is the time of the year after we've kind of taken down all of the holiday decorations where we look around the house and think to ourselves, wow, do we need to do a deep clean? Like, should we do a deep clean from all of the pine needles, the glitter, the ins and outs, the salt, the dust? And a lot of times the answer is yes. But once you do that deep clean, how many of us sit back and think, gosh, wouldn't it be nice if it looked like this all the time? Well, one of the things that we take for granted in our home is dirt and debris. And a lot of times we can't see it. And that's the problem. Because when you think about dirt and debris, how you're getting rid of it, so many of us think that we're vacuuming and we're actually not getting the suction that we need to get rid of and clean that dirt debris. Well, in walks one of the latest technologies from Dyson's, in one of their most powerful suction technologies. It is the Kinetic Big Ball Multi-Floor Upright. One of the cool things about this is first of all, you see it's a little different of a design than maybe you're used to. That's because not only have they engineered it to be streamlined so that you can go from floor to carpet to tile without even so much as pressing a button. So many of us get a new vacuum cleaner and you're like, okay, sign me up for life with maintenance. What do I have to do to maintain it? Because I'm definitely going to forget and I will lose that manual. There's actually no filter on board, and that's thanks to the Kinetic technology that you are getting brand new today at a crazy good price. That, by the way, if you feel like vacuuming takes you a long time, that's because you're not doing it with the right technology. This is a Dyson Kinetic Big Ball Vacuum. You're also getting the hose extension wand, which, by the way, stretches so far. I think we are in the smallest studio in our set, and I think you will literally look at it and be like, wow, they are across the room from each other. You'll also be getting 2 of the accessories. Love the combination tool. That's one of those things where you're like, I had no idea I could get in the crevices of my stairs, underneath baseboards. And then we'll also give you that stair tool as well, which is really nice. You can also use the combination tool on pieces of furniture in the nooks and crannies, which I actually did this weekend, was really lovely. 5-year manufactured limited warranty. That's absolutely awesome and a perfect way to try Dyson's latest technology. If you go to QVC.com right now to place your order, as more than 1,000 of you have already done, not only is this our only order of the year, you get to bring it home for $100 less than our QVC price. But if you go to Dyson.com, you are going to see much more of a hefty price tag for this same technology that you get as our big deal today. It's V36911. That's the item number that you put in to QVC.com. And remember when I told you about our Q card incentives? Well, we've also got special financing. Now, if you don't have a Q card, you can bring this home on 6 easy payments for $50 a month. But if you have a Q card and you need a new vacuum, this is the time to do it with your Q card, because as long as that balance is paid within full in 9 months, you get to be the proud owner immediately of that Dyson, which basically works out to be $33.33 a month. QVC.com to place your order. If you have a Dyson and love it, give us a call on our testimonial line at 1-800-600-1556. So excited for this because I was just over my mom's house at the holidays, and she's so cute. I think her Dyson is probably about 15, 18, 20 years old. It's like the OG yellow. It was heavier and smaller than what you were getting today. And I have to say, I was like, Nikki, it's time. Sweet, sweet Nikki. And so we brought one of our Dyson experts here. This is Debbie Fudikov. And while she is just a maven at solving all of our home problems with like a single item in a vacuum, she's also a mommy of 3, so you get it.
Yes.
We got to clean.
And I have 3 pets, so yes, I know a thing or
Amazing.
two about cleaning for sure. But if you're somebody that wants a deep down clean, that doesn't want to vacuum the same area again and again and again, you are going to love this Kinetic Science technology. And that's because with traditional vacuums and every single other Dyson vacuum, there's filter maintenance that's required. You have to wash your filter or replace it about every 3 months. And if you don't do that, over time, the suction power gets less and less and less, and it doesn't perform the way it does on day 1. With the Kinetic Science, you never have to worry about that because
cool.
there is no filter. So you're going to have the same suction on day 1 that you have, 5 years from now, which is great. So it's really incredible and super powerful.
It is our only order of the year, saves you $100 from our price, and I'm telling you, go to Dyson's own website and you will very quickly see why it's our only order of the year, and we have limited quantities. 1-800-500-7590. I think when anybody gets a Dyson home, there's always that initial shock when you go over the first carpet.
Yes.
Because you think to yourself, what in the world have I been living in?
Exactly. And we're going to show you right now. Look at this carpet in front of me. It looks clean. And that's the problem. A lot of our surfaces do look clean.
Yes.
But things hide deep down in the carpet. So we're going to show you that this Kinetic has the power to get the deep down clean. Look at the bin. There's nothing in it right now. And we're just going to go over this rug, which is actually a deep pile carpet. We're going to go over it with the Kinetic to
And
show
honestly,
you.
that looks like a carpet you wouldn't want to take a powerful vacuum on it, because don't forget, just because we're talking about powerful suction doesn't mean we're grabbing these fibers and taking them out of your rug. Like, everything is still intact.
Exactly. So here we go. Watch how I take it off the bin, because remember, there's no bags to buy, so everything you need is already here. We're going to push the button and eject all of that dirt and debris so you don't ever have to touch any of it. Look at all of that was hiding in the carpet that looked clean. You can see the pet hair. You can even see the white chalky dust. That's the ultra fine particles that we are able to capture with this Kinetic Science. So it's great because it's trapping all of the things that we can't see, the things that are so small.
Yes.
Like the pet dander, the dust mites, the pollen, all of those things that can be irritating. And we're certified asthma and allergy friendly because we're trapping all of those ultrafine particles.
Well, and I think it's important to know not everybody has that certification. And quite frankly, when you learn throughout this hour, you will become like the biggest, I'm sorry, it doesn't have asthma and allergy attached to it. Because I think a lot of us don't realize that most vacuums don't have as great of suction as we would like. So a lot of times, if we're going to take the 20 minutes to vacuum, we might just be moving it all around the house.
Right, because a lot of vacuums just kind of expel that out the exhaust, and so you're just moving the dust around. You're making more work for yourself. You're having to dust more, having to clean more. With this, we're trapping even those ultrafine particles. They're not escaping. So you're vacuuming once, you're getting it out of your home, which is awesome.
Which I think is what we all want, right? We want to vacuum one time if we're going to
Do it
vacuum.
right.
Exactly. And so that's a great opportunity to do it now for $100 less than our price with our only order of the year. And when we talk about suction, this is incredible.
Incredible power. We put 100 pounds in here to show you just how strong this is. Watch how I'm going to push the button to turn it on. Look how quickly it lifts up. And it would keep going through the roof if I let it, I think. So I had to shut it off quickly. But this is that power that the Kinetic has to give you that deep down clean around your home so that you're getting things that have settled over time. And in fact, the industry standard test, this just amazes me, for vacuum cleaner suction power is to fill the bin one time and then, test the suction power. Well, what our engineers did was they took that same standard test and they repeated it hundreds of times consecutively. So they used what was the equivalent of 10 years worth of dust.
Ew.
10 years, and the Kinetic did not lose suction after that test. So they really have put this through the test to ensure that you're getting that suction power day one and, you know, many, many years to come.
Well, so many of us have brought Dyson products into our home because you think about the innovation, like everything that James Dyson has brought to the table has just worked from day one. I mean, I think about the vacuum. What was it, like 5,127
Wow, you're good.
tries. I knew it was over 5,000 just to get
Prototype.
the first
Yeah.
vacuum. And yet they're still evolving, they're still innovating. And when you think about the needs of vacuums for your home, how many of us think, okay, well, I have one for carpets, one for hardwood floors,
right,
one for tile. I mean, they're just spread about everywhere. This is streamlined so that you can move to any type of floor in just a moment's notice.
Exactly. So we're going to tackle the bare floor now. Now the cleaner head is going to do the adjusting for you because it has active base plate technology, so it always knows what surface we're cleaning. But we do have a brush roll that we're going to turn off. So all I'm doing is pushing this button right here, and I love that it's right up near the handle, so I'm not having to step on anything or, you know, fidget. I just push the button. Now I have the brush roll turned off, and I can vacuum this yellow sand, which, you know, many vacuums would just kick around and spit out. This is just effortlessly picking it all up. It's not spitting it around. It's not moving it. It's just allowing me to really get that nice clean. And then I can go right to the carpet, turn the brush roll back on, because now I want that motorized cleaner head to really be driving into the carpet. And I love that this cleaner head is 13.4 inches. So you are getting more with each and every pass, which saves you time because you're not having to clean it. You're getting more every time you vacuum.
And that to me is the kicker, because I don't think a lot of people know how wide their vacuum is. But then when you start to notice, wait a second, did I just finish 5 or 6 minutes earlier than I normally would? That's the difference maker, that when you go on QVC.com to even take a look at any Dyson vacuum, I mean, most people talk about the joy of vacuuming that has been brought into their lives, which have never been associated otherwise until they got their Dyson. You're getting the latest technology and innovation with some of the most powerful suction that they offer for $100 less than even our price. Check out Dyson's website and you'll be like, okay, I get why it's the only order. We can have one and that is it. Of course, you've got great Easy Pay. You've also got the Q card as well, which is wonderful. That item number is V36911 if you want to go to QVC.com to place your order. Now, you know, we saw kind of like the small particles of pollen, but that could have easily been an art project gone wrong, glitter, or coffee.
Exactly.
When you didn't quite make it to the coffee maker.
Exactly. Or the pet hair. Or if you have hardwood floors or tile and you have cracks and crevices, watch what a beautiful job this does, lifting the dirt and lint right out of those crevices because of the powerful suction. Watch how the dirt just kind of jumps right in because this motorized cleaner head is picking everything up. And I love that we're giving you that edge cleaning too. I can get right up under my cabinets because we know that's where all the dirt and dust bunnies go. Look at how I get edge to edge cleaning with this. I love that.
And I will say, from all of the surfaces that we've covered so far, from carpet to the crevices to the hardwood floors to the tile, remember, you're still getting a 35-foot cord.
Yes.
Which I think is mesmerizing.
It is.
Because part of the reason a lot of us didn't like to vacuum is because you were just trying to look for that
true.
one plug in the room.
So true. And now you can have unlimited power because you're plugging in, you're not worrying about a battery, but you can go room to room to room because we give you 35 feet. So that is a lot of space to navigate within your home. The other thing that I love is this is not just for floor cleaning.
Yeah.
Look at this on the back of the vacuum. So it's built in to the handle. I lift up the top. Now I have this incredible wand that I can go super high. It's 14 feet 7 inches, this reach.
Good gracious.
So now the dust bunnies that you walked by before because you thought, how on earth am I going to get there?
Yes.
Now you can get them. And we give you great tools to use. So watch how I hook this up. This is the combination tool. You're going to line up this little notch right here with the button, and it clicks right into place. Now you can use the crevice tool, or you can slide the brush up and dust. So let's get this cobweb that's right up here by the window, because now I have my feet on the floor, but I can have this incredible reach to go way up high.
That is amazing. And I will say, so gratifying, because the areas of your home that bug you the most in terms of like those little cobwebs, the dust that gets there, in just a matter of seconds, it's gone. But
Right.
yet, how many days, how many months, how many years did it bother you for? And now you have the comforts of your own home, being able to go really great heights, up to 14 feet, but then also like stretch across the room 35 feet with that cord.
Right, and this is the stair tool that you're getting as well. Watch how easy, vacuuming stairs can be really difficult. It can be cumbersome. But now because you have this long hose, you can leave the weight of the vacuum at the base of your stairs. You don't have to carry it up and down the steps. And now you take this and you tackle the stairs. So now cleaning the stairs is no longer that chore that you dread. It's quick and it's easy. And you can even get right into the risers with this because this stair tool is just the perfect size. So I love that.
I always think if you have a Dyson and you have a set of stairs, the stride marks on the inner part of the stairs is some of the most impressive vacuuming you
Yes.
could ever do.
Totally. And then it just clips right back into the handle. So really easy. You can see this is for every floor surface. There are